Betting Gods Review. Is it legit or a scam? Does it provide genuine betting tips? If you are watching this video, I am sure you are looking for more information about betting odds, its pricing, its pros and cons, and other important things about it. Great, you are in the right place. Hey guys, what's up? And in this video, I will walk you through every aspect of betting odds. So, stay till the end of this video to know everything about it. And this video will help you to decide whether you should go for betting odds or not. Before moving ahead, subscribe to Reviews for Life channel for betting, make money online and e-business related videos. And if you want to get free betting tips from expert tipsters, do check out the link in the description box below this video. First, let's know what is bettingodds.com all about. Bettingodds.com is a leading provider of sports betting content and tips. They have over 120,000 punters who receive daily free sports betting tips direct to their inbox from their network of expert sports tipsters. They provide tips for both horse racing, football, boxing, and many other sports. Just imagine how it could be if you have access to experts in many areas of sports betting. You could ask these experts to give you selections for horse racing, football, boxing, and many other sports. After that, you will be able to use an online race book to play the tips you have received and possibly win real money. This is essentially what Betting Gods has to offer. It is a service that unites many of the top sports handicappers in one single website, or you can say location. When you subscribe to Betting Gods free subscription plan, you will receive daily free tips in your email box. However, these handicappers can provide you their betting selections for a small fee too. You can choose one sport or many depending upon your need and your interest. Betting Gods offer services for as low as $1 for the first 30 days. Darren Moore is the founder of Betting Gods. Darren has been actively involved in the online sports betting industry for many years and he had a strong reputation in this industry as well. So, now let's talk whether Betting Gods is legit or it's a scam. A big question about tip services involves their legitimacy. Are they scam? Sadly, there are many scam tip services out there. They usually work like this only. However, Betting Gods is super legit and appears to be in the top level. The tipsters who work for the service have a strong track record in the business. They also have pretty strong win percentages. Overall, I found that the handicappers at Betting Gods are the real deal. How much can you expect to win at Betting Gods? Well, the win rate at an online racebook that any bettor can expect in Betting Gods depends on several factors. Firstly, however, you should understand this service is not itself a betting venue. This means you will need to have an online racebook account before you can benefit from this service. Secondly, winning with Betting Odds is determined by how often you make bets and how much you bet. It is always best to evaluate the effectiveness of a tip service in terms of the return on investment, which we call ROI. At the time of recording this Betting Gods review video, the horse racing tipster at the United Kingdom Betting Gods site is consistently producing around 25% returns on investment for a net profit of about 129.85 euros per month. In the United States dollars, you can expect to win about 125 US dollars per every $100 that you invest in tips. In the United States, the horse racing tipsters are averaging at an amazing return on investment of 42% with an average monthly return of 574 US dollars. Really, it's an amazing strike rate and far better than what you would achieve by betting favorites. Now let's talk how much does Betting Gods charge for betting tips. Betting Gods is one of the top few services that lets bettors get started for a trial fee of $1 or €1, and this will get you a full 30 days of service. During that period, you could decide whether Betting Gods is right for you or not. And once the trial period is over, you will then be able to select an individual handicapper and buy their picks directly. The horse racing tipster at Betting Gods charges between €20 and €60, or €60 and €120 each month, depending upon the number of picks you would like to receive. There are no hidden fees at Betting Gods, although some tipsters may offer special play in addition to the monthly subscription package. These special play are sold separately and they usually cover big days on horse racing. So now let's talk about the advantages or pros of this bettinggod.com. Betting Gods is pretty affordable and it charges $1 or €1 for a 30-day trial period. And most betting selections are offered at 5 to 1 or better. Through the tips provided by Betting Gods, the bettors are generating an average return on investment of 25% on horse racing bets. So, now let's talk about the cons or the disadvantages of Betting Gods. Some days may only include one betting selection, and this might be a con or disadvantage for many people. And second con is picks are not available for every track. However, every day the handicapper chooses the best place. Now let's talk about whether you should go for Betting Gods or not, and what is our final thoughts on Betting Gods. According to us, Betting Gods is a great service for those who don't want to put in the handicapping work that can take hours to complete. We like that new tipsters at Betting Gods are thoroughly vetted before they are accepted by the platform. A handicapper must demonstrate consistency over a 4-month period in order to offer their tips to the betting public. There are two versions of the service available, one for the United States bettors and one for the punters in the United Kingdom. Both of them feature handicappers that exceed the win percentages of many official track handicappers, and we highly recommend Betting Gods is one of the best horse racing tip services available today. The return on investment that you will receive increases the chance that you will make healthy profits during the month. To start receiving free tips from Betting Gods, click the link in the description below this video. And that's all for this video. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a good day ahead. Bye bye.